This video will demonstrate how to register for classes using My Cougar Connection. In order to register, you will first need to meet with your academic advisor and be granted clearance. If you have a hold on your account, you cannot register until it is resolved. The advising worksheet and academic plan, available on MCC and personalized to you, your progress, and degree, will help guide what courses are next and needed for graduation. In addition, you can use the course search feature on MCC as soon as the schedule is published to begin planning. Once course registration is open for you, log into MCC and follow the academic heading to course registration. The course search feature is the most direct path to course registration. Make certain the term is set to the semester for which you want to register. Make sure division is set to undergraduate. In the course code box, you'll enter the course code and number for the particular class for which you're looking. For example, rhetorical inquiry is ENGL 104. Capitals and lowercase letters don't matter, but the space between the letters and numbers does. Hit the Enter key or search. You can see who teaches the course, the number of seats open, and if it is web-based or on ground. You will only be able to add the courses for your campus location. To register for your chosen section, click the box in the Add column next to your choice and click Add Courses at the bottom of the list. Your seat in the class is reserved, and you'll return to a summary screen where you can search for the next class. For classes that have a co-requisite, like a lab that must be registered for at the same time as the course, you'll select two sections, a lecture and a lab, indicated with an L, and then Add Courses. If you select just one, the system will force you to add the other with an Add Co-requisite warning and option. Once chosen, you'll return to the summary screen. Continue your search for your other classes. Pay close attention to whether the courses are online, hybrid, or on ground. Congratulations! You've successfully registered for your courses for the next term. You can see an overview of your schedule from MCC by again looking under Course Registration on the Academic tab. My schedule is just below Course Search.